today I think that a really important topic is we talk about VINs, and that is the short term for vehicle identification number. Every time you call someone, Napa, whatever, cards here, we're always asking you, what's your VIN? We want the last 8 digits of your VIN. So just to give you an idea of where you can find that VIN, it's right here on the driver's side windshield. There is a nameplate right here. And every single vehicle will have it. Some interesting characteristics of this VIN is the first digit will tell you where your vehicle was made. So 3 is Mexico, 2 is Canada, 1 is the USA. Most of them you're going to see is between 1 and 3. The 8th digit will tell you what kind of engine you have in here. This particular terrain has a V engine, which actually means a 1.5 turbo. The 8th digit from the back is the year of the vehicle. So this one here is a 2021, and the digit is an M as in Mike. So that's super interesting. This here, sometimes it's covered in ice and snow because we live in Canada. So some other places that you can find your VIN, right here on the driver's side door. You can also find it right here. Same VIN, same information. You can also find it right here. Same VIN, same information. This plate is also really important because it'll tell you your tires, it'll tell you your maximum capacity that you can have, like 35 PSI. Very important piece of information. Everybody needs to know that. Which last week we talked about tires. So those are the answers.